Hello, Muses. Today we're diving into something very powerful: how to give or create a job for yourself. So, if you're a woman seeking financial freedom, personal growth, or the clarity to finally create your own job, this is the video for you. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with a step-by-step framework to create work that aligns with you, your values, your purpose, and your financial goals, all grounded in mindful living. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly talk about why mindfulness is such a powerful tool when you're trying to create a job or a career from scratch. You see, mindfulness helps you quiet the noise, get clear on what you really want, tune into your strengths, and make decisions without fear or external pressure. When you give yourself a job, whether that means freelancing, starting a business, or reinventing your career, clarity is everything. So today we're using mindfulness to create a career from the inside out, not one based on what society tells you, but one based on who you are. Step 1: create mental space. You can't feel something powerful when your mind is overwhelmed. So here's a simple mindfulness practice. Take 3 deep breaths. On each exhale, release whatever you think you should be doing. Release the pressure. Release the comparisons. Then pause for 3 seconds. Now grab a pen and paper and ask yourself, what do I really want? Women often suppress their desires because we're trained to be practical and to put others first. But financial freedom starts with radical self-honesty. Now write down whatever comes up without judgment. Step 2: identify your mindful strength. This isn't a regular strength list. This is about feeling what you're naturally good at when you're not stressed. Now, grab that pen and paper again and ask yourself, what activities feel peaceful and energizing at the same time? What do people always thank you for? What comes easily to me, others may find difficult? These are mindful strengths. These mindful strengths give you clues to the kind of job you can create. For example, if you feel calm organizing things, maybe you should consider an organizing service. If you feel alive while helping others, maybe coaching or consulting is in your wheelhouse. If you love creating beauty, maybe your job is in design, branding, or content creation. Now that we're going to step 3, build your mind job concept, ask yourself, what problems can I solve using my strength that I could get paid for? This is the moment your job becomes real. Examples are, if you're good at writing, you could create a copywriting service. If you're good at listening, consider coaching, mentoring, or guiding others. If you love creating content, maybe you should consider social media. You don't need a degree, you don't need permission, you just need clarity. Step 4: break free of fear with mindfulness. Let's talk about the biggest step: fear. Fear of failing, fear of not being good enough, fear of not making enough money, fear of succeeding and possibly outgrowing those around you. Fear is normal, but mindfulness helps you move through it instead of being controlled by it. Okay, here's a simple practice. When fear shows up, pause and say, I see you, but we're moving on today. This is how empowered women create their financial future. Step 5 is where you officially Give yourself a job. Create your first paid offer. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve today? What result can I help someone else achieve? What is the smallest version of my job that I can launch right here, right now? The first offer doesn't have to be big or perfect, just actionable. For example, a 1 hour coaching session, a paid digital guide, a freelance service, a 30-day challenge, a beginner level consulting package. You see, when you create your first offer, congratulations, you just hired yourself. Step 6, practice mindful consistency. Financial freedom doesn't come from intensity, it comes from consistency. Choose small, supportive habits. If you're a content creator, maybe posting once a week. Or if you're doing consulting, you could reach out to 2 potential clients. Practice mindfulness before work each day and spend at least 10 minutes planning your business every single day. Every minute that you practice counts. When you stay consistent, your confidence grows. Step 7, build a lifestyle that supports your financial freedom. Use mindfulness to make aligned decisions with money, time, and energy. Every small step, every mindful choice builds the foundation of the job you're creating. You don't need permission. You don't need perfection. You just need to claim your power. Financial freedom and personal growth begin the moment you choose yourself. By the way, I'm CJ, author of Financial Life Plan, the Instruction Manual. Ben Franklin said, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So if you plan to start your success journey right now, then go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace and blessings to you.